it's music video time.
Boy, you know you need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this pussy is shit. Ayy, oh, he's so thirsty. Ride that dick like a horse. See, he said, are you tired?
I got all these bitches wanting to be Barbie dolls. Barbie dream house, pink and purple marble walls. Pull up in that Barbie Rari, finna bury y'all. She threw dirt on my name, ended up at her own burial.
Hey y'all, it's Sierra Monet, aka Barbie Girl C, and I'm back again with another video. Today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I flexi rod my hair, and also I will be curling my hair with a flat iron. The flat irons that I'm going to be using today are these Diane flat irons. I got these when I was in hair school, which was like 4 or 5 years ago, so yeah, I'm just bringing these back out. I haven't really used them in a while, so I don't really know how they will, you know, work and everything, but we're just gonna go with the flow. I have a whole box of like flexi rods and stuff in here. I'm only gonna be using the flexi rods, and I'll probably be using the smaller flexi rods like these ones and these. I have some of these, some pink, some blue. We just gonna look like a whole rainbow out here with these flexi rods in our hair. And I might use these for like the top, because I want it to like flow, like, you know, you want it to flow, okay? Also, this will be a talk through video. Yay, I guess, if you guys are excited about that. Yeah, I want to point out that I do have layers cut into my hair, and this hair that I have in right now is from Fine Girl Hair Official. I will tag them in the description box below. This frontal is actually from a company on AliExpress. It's not from Fine Girl Hair, but the hair itself is from Fine Girl Hair. The frontal, I can't remember the company that it's from, but we're not even going to get into that right now because why would we? So yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so when I do my extensions, when I curl it, when I flat iron it, when I do anything to it, I don't really use a lot of products. I don't really like to wash my weave because it takes forever to dry it, and I don't really have time for that. So I use as less products as I possibly can. But yeah, we're just gonna get started. I'm trying to figure out if I want to start at the top or start at the bottom. I don't know. I don't know what would be easier. Oh, and I want to point out that I already like laid my baby hairs and everything like before the video even started. I switched my part and everything, and all I did to switch my part was basically just part it, and then I sprayed some water on it to let it, you know, lay down and everything. Tied a scarf around it. Did the same thing with my baby hairs, except I used Got to Be glue, and here we are right now. But I think I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start at the top. And y'all, my frontal is not glued down all the way. I only really glued, well, it was glued down, but I've had this frontal on for a little minute now, so it's starting to come up, but it's only right here where you can't see it. I kind of glued it back over here, so it's whatever. So I'm gonna curl it, and then this front piece I'm gonna take this green flexi rod, and that's so that my bang won't be so tight and it'll actually frame my face. And of course, just by having layers, everything is going to be face frame, and layers will give you more body and volume. It'll make your hair appear a little bit thicker, especially when you curl it. I just want to point out that Flexi rod, I said Flexi rod, flat iron curls do last a little bit longer than curling iron curls. I guess because it's curling it a little bit tighter than a curling iron would. So if your hair doesn't really hold a curl, I would recommend you to use a flat iron rather than using a curling iron. And you want to wrap it around like immediately after you curl it, so that the heat can set into the curl that the Flexi rod would make. You know, instead of curling one side and then Flexi rodding it, or curling like 3 pieces and then trying to Flexi rod it, I would just recommend you curl and Flexi rod as you go. It's kind of like the same thing as like if you're doing pin curls or anything like that. I also want to point out that a Flexi rod curl can give you 2 different type of curls depending on how you wrap it around the Flexi rod. So for the curls that I'm looking for, I just want like a spirally curl. So I'm taking the hair piece and I'm literally wrapping it and making sure that the hair is still flat as it gets onto the Flexi rod. Now if I was to go for a more wavy look, then that's when I would, like, you know, twirl and then twirl. I'll show you because I don't really know how to explain it. But it wouldn't be flat on the Flexi rod is what I'm saying. So like if you want to do a wave, you would do more of like a wrap, like a twirl and then a wrap instead of, you know, flat on it. I'll do a whole tutorial on how to get waves with waves with Flexi rods if that's what y'all want to see, but y'all gotta let me know. All flat ironing, curling with a flat iron is just twisting, really. Like, it's super simple. Just turning your flat iron, just keep tick. Do this side. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys so that I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna lift it up for you guys. I said lift it up. Wow. I'm going to do this side. Like, I'm gonna speed it up for you guys. That's what I meant to say. Okay? Because I feel like we have a good idea of. Okay, so now that we have our hair like this, all flexi rodded up, we have all the flexi rods in, all of my curls, I just want to point out, all of my curls are, I curled them away from my face. So now you can leave them in overnight or for a little bit if you want to, blah blah blah, whatever you want to do. I'm going to take mine out right now because I don't have time for all of that. I'm going to take this wig shine that I got from my local beauty supply store. I don't really like shine sprays from the hair store because they are always so oily. I haven't found anyone that makes my hair not weigh it down. So even though it says oil free, I just want to point out that it says oil free, right? But no. But I'm gonna spray a little bit of this into my hands so that way when I take out my flexi rods, I'll get like a nice little glisten and it won't be too much product. So I'm just gonna, where's my hand? Oh, there it is. Just gonna take it and spray it a little bit. Run my hands together. And then I'm just gonna start from the one that I did, well, from the side that I did first. And I'm just gonna start with that and unravel it. Unravel it, baby. Look at that curl, baby. Yo, I just want to point out that I don't even like my hair curled. So I'm doing this tutorial for y'all. Cause I really, me and curls, we just ain't here for real. Like I'm more of a straight type of girl, but anything for YouTube. Another way that you can get more volume with your curls is to curl each curl going like an opposite direction from each other. I didn't do that because I don't need any more volume. I have layers like I said earlier, but that's another way to get you a little bit more volume. It'll also make your hair look a little bit fuller. I don't know how this side is going to turn out because that was just curling. I was just curling, but not really curling. You feel me? Okay, so now that we have all the flexi rods out, I'm going to do my little spray trick again. But this time I'm probably going to do like 1, 2 pumps, 1, 2, whatever. I don't know what that was. I was kind of like 1.5, I guess. But I'm just going to like put that on there. And now all we have to do, I mean, if you want to walk out like this, be my guest, but I'm gonna go on with my Y2 comb and just comb all my curls together. Do the same thing with this side, just my hair. And I do have a little bit of color in my hair too, I just want to point that out. Yeah, we're just going to get it how we like it. I'm kind of okay with this. I'm digging it. I am digging it. So this is the final look, my Flexi Rod curls. These probably won't last that long because I like to brush through my hair all day, run my fingers through it all day. I told y'all I'm not really a curly girl, but I do like how this turned out. This is a nice prom hairstyle. You guys can wear this to prom. You guys can just wear this anywhere. I'm not going anywhere today, so you can just look cute just because. Why not? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all learned something, hopefully. If you did in fact enjoy this video, if you did in fact learn something, if you did in fact whatever, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications whenever I post a video, because there's more coming. Okay. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. If you guys have any video requests, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Leave a comment, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and all of that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces!